Hi, this is Olivier. In this video, you will learn about the CHEK tool. This is a very useful tool that allows administrators to identify and sometimes even solve themselves issues in the system. We will first review what the CHEK tool is, then we will see the permissions linked to the CHEK tool, and we will finally run a couple of checks. The configuration check tool allows administrators to identify and solve issues when the system does not work as expected. There can be different reasons for problems. Maybe the data is not consistent, maybe the system is not configured correctly. With the CHEK tool, we can identify what is wrong rather than simply creating a ticket. With the CHEK tool, we can identify what is wrong rather than simply creating a ticket. The CHEK tool can also suggest a solution. Administrators might still need to create a ticket depending on the nature and severity of the problem. We are now in the application. From the action search, let's try to go to the CHEK tool. I don't have any results, so I'm going to check the permissions. In Manage Permission Roles, I will verify the administrator permission. I will click on the button Permission. Under the administrator permissions, I will scroll down and go to the CHEK tool. There are three available permissions. Number one, Access CHEK tool. That allows user to access a CHEK tool that can help them identify data and configuration issues. The second permission, Allow configuration export. So this is really to export system configuration data from within the CHEK tool. And the last permission on this list, Allow CHEK tool quick fix. So that allows user to fix configuration and data issues from within the tool. I'm going to click Done and save changes. As usual, when I make changes to the permissions, I need to log out and come back to the system before I test my modifications. I am now back in the application. From the action search, I will type again CHEK tool, and now it's available for me in the list. From the application, I see modules that are enabled in that instance. The number of checks available depends on the module. For example, for development planning, there are 3 checks available, and I can just unfold the different categories to see the checks that are available in the tool. Maybe if I verify another category, let's say reporting, there will be 9 checks available to me. Let's try to run the check on role-based permission. So there are 7 checks available. I'm going to select them all from here, and I will scroll down and I will run 7 checks. So this is running, and I can see a green checkbox when there is nothing to worry about. On the contrary, I will see a red exclamation mark when there are issues. So I can just click on the issue to verify the proposed solution, maybe to export the results as well. I will now share with you another example. From this drop-down menu, I will select Goals. I will unfold all the categories from here, select everything, and run the check. I need to select a goal plan template this time, and click Run. So I can see that for that category, goals, I do not have any issues. I can fold the categories again. Maybe I could export the results, and I can refresh previous results from here as well. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching it.